2-minute pro trading tip number 1. All right, 2 minutes. That's all we got. So let's get right into it. So here's a trade I took this day, stayed in that day, got out this day. If we trade the stock, then we would have entered at $52.77, gotten out at $55.14 for a gain of $2.37, and that's a 4.5 increase. Not bad. Okay. But what if we wanted a much bigger increase? This is what the pros do. I didn't want a 4.5% increase. I wanted an almost 30% increase. And so instead I traded the options instead of the stock. The option was only $3.40. When I got in, it got out at $4.40. That was an almost 30% increase as opposed to 4.5%. Which one do you want? Same trade, exact same trade. The only difference is whether you trade the stock or the option. And by the way, as a side note, if you traded the stock, you'd be tying up a lot more cash. If you wanted to control 100 shares, then you would have to pay 5,277 schmackers. But by using options, I only had to use $340. So dollar amount risk, much less, dramatically less. Increase, dramatically more. Why wouldn't you do it? That's why I don't trade stocks anymore. I only trade the options on the stocks. But, of course, you got to know what you're doing. That's why I'm opening up my options summer school right now. Limited time, obviously, because we're here at the beginning of summer. And so go to optionssummerschool.com. Check it out. And love to see you on the inside. Teach everything that I know.